Let's talk about it. As we head toward 4 o'clock, some showers and storms start to develop along the Red River, along that front. With that front, and as that front slides to the south, they'll start to move into kind of the heart of North Texas, including DFW. By 6 o'clock, maybe a thunderstorm from South Lake to north of Denton to north of McKinney. We'll take it to 7 o'clock here. Storms become a little bit more numerous, especially from kind of central portions of DFW off to the north and east. Storms from Irving to McKinney, out to Greenville, northern Hunt County. 8 o'clock, storms from Lancaster to Terrell to Greenville. You can see how these move through rather quickly. So by 8 o'clock, Denton to McKinney to Fort Worth, you're dry. By 9 o'clock, most of DFW is dry. Storms have kind of shifted off into southeastern areas. By 10 o'clock, almost all of North Texas is done with the storms. So in store for a brief round of storms this evening, but when they come through, they could be strong to severe. Large hail, damaging winds, the main threats with any storms. That tornado risk on the low side. It's April, but it is not zero. So we have to always keep that in mind. I'm not really concerned with flooding because these storms will move through rather quickly. Slight risk for Dallas-Fort Worth, from Dallas and off to the east, an enhanced risk of severe weather. So basically, if you're in the shade of yellow, shade of orange, which is pretty much all of North Texas, pay attention to the weather as we head into the late afternoon and evening. Overnight tonight, that front keeps moving to the south. Maybe a little drizzle, maybe some sprinkles first thing tomorrow. That's when that colder air will be moving in. In fact, we have a freeze watch for our western and northern areas, a freeze warning well out to the west and for parts of Oklahoma. Basically, that means those locations have the best chance at dropping to at or around freezing. You see Dallas-Fort Worth going to be cold, yes, upper 30s. So I don't expect freezing temperatures Dallas-Fort Worth. What that means is if you live in the areas where that freeze watch is, freeze warning out to the west and up to the north, those are the areas where you likely need to protect your sensitive vegetation. Not concerned with that Dallas-Fort Worth. Yes, it will be cold, but I don't think it'll be cold enough to kill off any of those plants. If you're worried, just bring the plants inside. But I think most areas, or at least those freezing temperatures, will be confined to western northern areas. Here's your highs tomorrow. This is what it feels like in January. 40s and 50s only for highs tomorrow, with a good deal of cloud cover for your Saturday as well. So weekend forecast looks like this. Don't worry, it's not going to stay cold all weekend long. 52 Saturday, but then we warm up to 68 on Sunday. Today, 83 for the high, and then 38 degrees by tomorrow morning. And then all of next week is a lot warmer than what we're going to be tomorrow. 68 Sunday, 70s next week after tonight and into first thing tomorrow morning. Rain chances hold off until the Thursday, Friday time frame. That's when we could see another front that'll cool us down as we head into next weekend.